just a game of chance. It is a battle of precision, nerves, and dominance at the Dice Grinders Dice Duel Tournament. Elite rollers face off in the ultimate test of skill. Your mission is simple. Be the first to complete all dice combinations for target sums. Every toss brings you closer to glory or defeat. With single and double elimination formats, every round counts. Only one will rise to the top. Spots are limited and brackets lock soon. Are you ready to roll? Visit Dice Grinders on YouTube and claim your place in the dice arena.